Hi, Nia. Hi, Nia. What are you doing? Are you eating watermelon? Yes. Is it good? Are you eating the green side? Eat the red side.
Yeah.
The red side's better. Do you take a big bite? Let me see. Take a big bite. That's the green side. You need to eat the red side.
Yeah.
You gonna ride your bike? Where are you going? Ooh, careful. Nice save. It's hard to eat watermelon and ride a bike at the same time. That's hard, huh? Nia, careful, honey.